Hi all, I'm Jeanette Keynes from Jewelry Arts Inc. I'm here to show you a really easy way to straighten out your wire. I call it the Doink Doink method. So for those of you who remember, lovely twisted wire, and I think we are now finished. We could go a little tighter, but you know, I'm crazy OCD, so you gotta know when to pull the plug and finish, right? Lovely. And Susan was just like, well, how do I get it really straight, etc. And I was like, oh yeah, we're gonna do the Doink Doink method. And of course she looked at me like I was completely mental. And then I realized, possibly we have not covered the Doink Doink method with you. So when you have wire that's like, you know, a lot of times you coil it up or whatever, it's a little janky and it's not nice and smooth. Usually what I do, low tech but effective, I put one end in the vise and give it a nice squish, like so. Okay, get ready for the Doink Doink. Doink Doink! Ta-da! It makes it straight. Now here's the thing, depending on the thickness of wire, you may have to pull harder. You know, a thinner wire doesn't take that much pressure, and of course, I didn't put it in there super tight, which is why it came out. But that's really all you do, is generally give a sharp pull or two. And the thing of it is, with a wire, you're gonna cut this into pieces. So it's not so much that the entire thing is going to be like perfectly in a straight line, but you're getting out all those little waves that like are just not gonna look good. You know what I mean? Like if this were thicker and you're making a ring shank out of it, you wouldn't be able to size it accurately because you'd have all those waves, and by the time you stretched it around, etc., etc. So Doink Doink, simple but very effective for getting things straight.